Alright guys, today in our video we are going to be talking about how to install the Fleximounts overhead garage storage rack. In this video, let's see how I installed Fleximounts overhead garage storage rack. The package we received from Amazon came with all the necessary parts, screws, these pieces. Make sure we have everything needed before we start this project. Toughest job in this project is finding the studs and marking the spot for the ceiling bracket. I have used this Franklin sensor scanner to find the studs. It makes the job a little bit easier. Pre-drill the hole on the stud where the ceiling brackets and screw securely. Make sure you are doing it on the stud and not on the drywall, cause it will fall if you do it on the drywall. Once installed the ceiling bracket, that will be the reference point for the next ceiling bracket. Measure 4 feet from the beginning of the first ceiling bracket, mark the place, and that will be the beginning of the next ceiling bracket. This is where I'm trying to get the next side of the ceiling bracket. Same 4 feet gap between two sides. We need to secure the hanging brackets on the middle of the ceiling bracket. Adjust the height of the hanging brackets based on your need. The bottom racks as per the instructions. It is not that hard to put the screws together. Install the bottom racks on the hanging brackets as shown and secure them with the screws. that is the end of the installation, and we're ready to use the space to store our stuffs. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like or subscribe.